to start off, where's my mic? Here we go. My computer is real loud, but all right. Starting off, we can see if we have any red folder news. Good morning, good morning. All right. Today is the 5th. It's Thursday. The red folder already happened. We ain't got nothing else. So, awesome sauce. All right, let's check the charts. That 4-hour zone held. I like it. But let's start back at the daily time frame. It's very important that we start from top to bottom so we can get an overall direction of what's going on. I'm going to delete all these. All right, we got a bearish candle. Woo! And it's under 13 EMA. Definitely probably looking for some sales today. There's still liquidity down here to go get. So it definitely rejected all this, but it's looking like it still wants to go further down. So let's see. 4-hour, look at that. Look at that beautiful downtrend we got going. We failed to break these highs. This strong level, tapped it again, it's still rejecting. We still got similar levels to yesterday. This liquidity was already taken out. This liquidity was already taken out. There's some liquidity. Dang, how'd I like, whatever. All right. Looking really bearish on the 4-hour so far. I like it. 1 hour, let's see what we're talking about. I don't know what all these lines are. Just gonna delete those. Okay. Still look very bearish. Very, 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 very bearish. And on this 1 hour, we got a zone right here. But that's a lot for the markets to come back to. Good morning, good morning. This is the 1 hour time frame. It's a lot for it to come back to, but you know, it's not impossible. But what we want to see going forwards is this level to break for a sell opportunity down here. There are no breaks of structure for us to continue to try to look higher, but if it holds and it tries to push higher, that's another opportunity. However, my bias today is looking for sell, so I want to see it break through this level, retest this level, and then push a little bit further on that. On the lower time frames, we got almost 400 points to work with, so definitely opportunity today. It's not news day though, so it may not have a lot of momentum, but we'll see. All right, we got some key zones here. Within this 1 hour zone, we have this 5 minute. Price could come back up here, could not. It's not likely, but it could. We have these zones that market broke above. We can really delete them. I don't think I journaled that yesterday, but this is some liquidity to go target. I want to see price take out this liquidity. I don't want it that color. Let's make that pink. I like pink. I like green more, but y'all see my chart is pink. Everything I've been doing lately has been in pink. Got about 9 minutes till the market opens. I don't necessarily want to take it from here, but this is just another opportunity. I have seen it happen, but I prefer for it to break down here and then take it. But I marked it out just in case, you know, you're feeling confident you want to take that. That's cool. But as y'all see, we're breaking structure to the downside. We're still in a pretty bearish trend. Okay? Break of structure here. Break of structure there. Small break of structure there. Bigger break of structure here. So we're continuing that bearish trend. I like that. Do I want to drop down? Not really. I don't want to drop down just yet. Let's do it anyways. Let's see. Whew, forgive me, I'm tired. If y'all don't know my schedule, I work out at 5:15 in the morning, and then I come back home, shower, and go back to sleep for an hour before I get up on the charts. It helps me to be disciplined on the charts. It helps me with obviously physical and mental health, and I just when I move around in the morning, I feel a little bit better before trading. So I try to get some movement in. If I don't work out, which typically I still do, if I don't work out, I'll at least do something in my room where I'm moving around. So yeah, everything you do off the chart shows up on the charts. If you're a very undisciplined person off the charts, you'll know. Well, other people will know too. Even the posts that I've lost lots of trades or blown my accounts, like all of that's from being undisciplined. But it starts off the chart. So that was probably times where, well, maybe I wasn't working out today. Maybe I was cheating in my meals. Maybe I was, not handling business off the charts. So let's go ahead and start our journal. We got 7 minutes. Just write how you feel right now. If you got your journal with you, write how you're feeling right now. Are you excited coming to the markets? Are you calm? Are you something make you mad today? Something make you happy today? Did you eat a good breakfast? Did you sleep good? You want to track how you're feeling. Today is March 5th. And I did not post a live in the live tab just yet. I'll post it when I get some time. I got a lot of stuff going on right now. But it is on YouTube. So go ahead and go to YouTube if you want to rewatch yesterday. Today is Thursday. We have to record. We did that. We are recording today. God is good. We have to check the news. We did that. We have to check higher time frame levels and zones. We did that. Put on our copy trader. We did that. I write these things down because these are some things that I was fumbling with, like maybe a couple months ago. I wasn't doing these things, and I know I need to do these things. And then my last thing is trading after 9:30. Took a trade last week before 9:30. Sure enough, it proved to me why I don't like trading before 9:30. And I said that day, I don't like trading before 9:30. Did it anyways. I risked it for the biscuit, and that's not a risk I need to be taking. All right, so let's see. 4 more minutes in this candle. Let's see what the zone would be if we took it. 58 ticks, not bad. But again, I want to take it down here. And if it gives that opportunity, cool, But then I would wait for the break of candle entry because I need it, I want to be confident in the trade. And that's not at my level. That's not at my area of interest. So I wanted confirmation, break of candle entry. There are 3 different types of entries. You got your aggressive, which is what we've been taking recently. As soon as it taps on our number 3 right here, that's when we take it. But you have the conservative, which is once you get a candle that's going in your direction. So like, let's say this comes back here, but then it turns black and it's going back bearish. You could enter conservative, trying to enter as close to this zone as possible. Or you can do break of candle entry, which is what we might do if we take this zone. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. We got about 4 more minutes till market opens. A big goal of mine is to give myself enough time to, analyze the charts before trading. Don't get me wrong, like I can wake up out of my sleep and just come to the chart and then trade, but I really like to get an overall picture of what I'm looking at so I can take the best trades to my ability so I can have the better outcome, more probable. So again, this could be just liquidity. So I may just leave this zone alone. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to leave this one alone. I'm certain if it does play out, cool. If it doesn't, there's another opportunity coming somewhere. Four hours, we still pretty negative. We'll bearish. Oh man. We got a nice break right here. Y'all see that? Whew. We'd want it to break these lows. Let's see. It just took some liquidity. How y'all doing this morning? What y'all got going today?
I feel real shitty this morning.
Dang, allergies or something?
I don't know. I just woke up and my stomach has been hurting.
Sheesh. Drink you some, what is that stuff called? So get you some tea. Settle your stomach. Some chicken noodle soup. Use a bath.
Oh, I
Eat a
am.
couple grapes. Use the bathroom. Cleanse your system.
I'm gonna do that.
Heather, just rest as much as you can, man. Being sick ain't no joke. I fairly don't get sick as much, but you know, it don't mean I don't be around people who do get sick a lot. That allergies thing was finna take people out around me, bro. Everybody was sneezing stuff, catching the flu and all that stuff. Drink you some orange, eat you some oranges. Does everybody know why we're looking for some cells? Anybody can tell me? In the next 42 seconds. What might be the reason why we are looking for cells? There's one valid reason. Downtrend.
Because the
Market is
market
bearish.
is in a bearish trend.
Absolutely. Absolutely. If it was breaking structures to the upside, like this is a good break, but it broke out of the zone and came back in the zone. So that's, minor pullback that market needs to do. 6 seconds till we open. Let's get it. All right. Let's see, man. This is like really big and in a way. But I want y'all to be able to see it. If we can get a strong break to the downside, we can make a new zone here. So let's be patient. Let's see what she want to do. Here we go. All right, it's about to enter that zone earlier that we marked out. Me personally, I'm going to stay out of it. But the only reason I'm staying out of this play right here, even though it's a beautiful downtrend, I'm staying out of it because I want to play where these yellow zones are. That's where I want to play. That's where the big boys are. The big boys who cause these big moves, big pushes down, that's a great zone to take more for big pushes down. So I want to be a part of that. If we can break this level, retest this level like a supply zone like this one, beautiful. Let's see, my mouse is where it would tap for an entry. Patience is the name of the game. It's good bearish action today, though. Whew. Go ahead and safety mark this just in case my charts start acting up. So whenever you're risking, this will help you with your risking. All right, it just tapped that area. Let's see if it'll break it. I'll mark it out so you guys can see, but I don't want to take this trade. Unless we come way down here and break it, bro. No, I don't want to take it this trade. And that would be a way bigger stop loss. See that liquidity rest in there? Let's see. Watch it break, y'all. Watch it break this zone right here. That's why we don't take it when, especially with liquidity above it. OD. All right, my goal is to catch movement from down here. It would have broke that zone that we were in. I want to see it come all the way back down here. But it's still got liquidity right here. So let's see if it breaks this high or don't. It did not. This level held. So let's see what it wants to do. It's a very big wick. Very big wick. This is another zone, but it's still liquidity. So I personally am not taking it. It's going to have to break this zone for me to take it. Watch it break. Watch it break that level, y'all. Let's see how much this would be. A lot. Oh, 71. Not too shabby. I still think it's going to break above, though. Hold on now. It's holding. I might take it.
Order
I'm
filled.
in there. If it stops me out, that sucks, but it'll be okay. We would just be that liquidity. I'm only risking 248, which is my normal. So if I'm liquidity, god dang it, I'm liquidity. But this level held right here. So let's see. We in for sales. Do I like taking trades in there in the middle of the zone? Nope. Am I a risk taker? Absolutely. Once it hits our TP1, we'll move our stop loss for a risk-free trade. Let's see. Let's see what it want to do, man. I only got in this trade because we failed to break strong from this high. We failed to break this zone, and there is a zone there where price broke down from. Other than that, I don't love the fact that it's not at this yellow zone right here. But I mean, I'm willing to take the risk for 250, bro. If it stopped me out, it stopped me out. If it break above that high, I'll get out.
Order filled.
Dang, see? Shouldn't have been in that trade. No way. No how. Down 200. Just as fast as you can make money is just as fast as you can lose it. Now, if it don't, take out this liquidity and be pissed. Because I moved my stop loss. But I'm chilling. You win some, you lose some. I didn't like that trade in the first place, but I took it. I'm a risk taker, bro. Ugh, don't let it go where I wanted it to go. Let's see what the 5 minute looking like. Y'all, look at it. No way. I might be in for double dips. Probably not though, because a little weird. I might be in for double dips.
Order filled.
In for double dips. I should have moved my stop loss, y'all, but I did. We're only risking 98 ticks. That sucks. You ain't have to do me like that. If the next candle breaks below it, then I'll add to the position, but I'm safe right now. I'm not risking too much right now. Check that 5 minute. If it breaks below this low on the 5 minute, I'll get in again. I'll add more. Had a very strong wick right there, but let's see. Let me get it a little beyond it because I need it to show me that it wants to break. We're still going with the trend, so I don't hate it. But if it starts breaking structure, stay upside, yeah, no, OD. I'm liking it. Let's see if it'll tag us in. Good morning, Isaac. Good morning, good morning. I like it. Let's see if it'll give us a little bit more. I want that break of that next candle. I want that break. It rejected it a little bit right there, so let's see if it'll give it to us. Patience is key. Write down my trade that I took. I moved my stop loss early. We would have been in profits right now. But, you know, emotions happen. They come. You got to learn to deal with it. Are we frozen or is me? Are we frozen?
Order filled.
Let me come back. Let me know if we're still frozen or not. We still frozen?
I can see you.
Cool, cool, cool. It did tap us in for the extra. We're risking another $200 on this trade. Let's see if it'll play out, bro. It's a lot to ask for, but we cool. We chilling. I might add 2 more, move my stop loss down. Only if we break this level, though. We need to break this level. I'm not even playing with it. Isaac, we took a L because we moved our stop loss to right above this high, and then look what it did, bro. It didn't even go to the liquidity right there. Wow. Nice. Let's see that break. I want to see price come way down here and break this level. Then I'll add on position. Trading should be boring. I hope I'm not frozen still. Try to be punctual. Good, good, good. Let's go. Once it hits 221 for my profits, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop loss to break even. Or even just a little bit less than that. But ideally, I want to see it keep falling. Breaking more structure to the downside. Showing me it wants to fall. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Once we break this nice and strong, I'll add more to my position. All right, we are approaching at 221. I'm going to move my stop loss. Boom. Let's go. If we break strong, add to my position. It just tapped another demand zone. I like it. I like the continuation. I like the momentum. Patience is key. Patience is key. All right, not moving, not adding just yet. If you're not breathing right now, make sure you're breathing. I'll breathe with you. I like breathing. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Be patient. I'm out. Got your 1500 for the eval. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, chaos. If you guys don't know how evaluations work, you have to hit a certain number, target, profit target. For Top Step, it's 3,000 on the challenges, but you cannot go over half, 50% of that 3,000 in one day, because they want you to show that you can actually trade, so they want you to be consistent. What platform do y'all use? Execute trades. This is Top Step X through Top Step. You can use Tradeovate though. I hear Tradeify is good, but currently I use this one to copy trade, but you can do the others to copy trade too. Isaac, he about to let you know too. I needed to break through very strong coming down. Let's see. Let's see what I want to do. Gotta be patient, man. I did not practice patient yesterday when I was driving. I told y'all to. I didn't even do it. I was mad. This lady was driving so slow in front of me. I was so mad. And I was early to work too. I wasn't even supposed to be tripping. All right, let's see. Let's see it close strong, then I'll add on to my position. That's a beautiful strong close. Oof. 10 seconds left. That is so beautiful. Y'all see that?
Order filled.
Oh, I added on already. Let's go. Moving my stop loss down. I don't want that 10 o'clock news to wake me out again, bro. So let's see if we'll push further down. Let's see, man. Make sure y'all breathing. Let's see it come break this low down here. "30 seconds of hard work, candle. Push to the downside." There's good momentum on this black candle here, but let's see if it wants to come get liquidity, because I'm liquidity right now. Ooh. Don't let me be liquidity. Please don't let me be liquidity. Let's go. Go ahead and drop, bro. I feel like it wants to come get me out as liquidity. Let's go. Drop. Top step and trade of it. Yep. I don't want it to get me as liquidity, y'all. Let's see. We'll move it right here. Give it a little bit more breathing room. That's why I could be weary with adding positions. We still would have been up right now. It might take us out, bro. That's gonna suck. But we hit this bottom right here, so let's see. We hit this bottom, so it could continue up higher. Then we'll just take a L for today. Get a little room. Oh, I don't want to risk 300 on no trade, bro. But if that John keep going up, I don't need to be in it. In there. In there. It wants to stop me out, so it's just gonna have to stop me out, y'all. I'm cool. I done played my hand twice, and I done let them lose me. Let's see if it'll start breaking down from here. Playing it safe, man. Playing it safe. Giving it room to work, but at the end of the day, if it keep pushing higher, I don't need to be in it. Price got a little weak right there, so let's see if it'll drop from here or not. Sad day, bro. Sad day.
Order filled.
Got me out, bro. Down 400 on the day. I'm not going to stress out it too much. I mean, it was a good trade. It just didn't work. But I told y'all, trading in the middle, not my cup of tea. But let's see how it reacts. And then I'm going to go ahead and just hop off the charts for the day, bro. Solid day. Solid L. But, hey, L days happen. If it comes way back up here, I'll stick around to see if it comes way back up here. But for the most part, they cooked me. It cooked me. I was trying to shoot through a level. It didn't work out. It tapped through this level, so let's see what it do. I'm just going to wait. Let's see. Let's see it go. Grab this liquidity, guys, and tap this area. Ah, we're breathing. I don't really want to lose no more money today. Journal your trades. If you can't lose, I don't recommend that you trade because there is a lot of losing in trading. A lot of losing. Yeah, I'm gonna hold back. Too early on the first trade. I moved my stop loss too early on that first trade. And then on the second trade, I added on. That could have been a little bit of greed. But I mean it looked nice. But I did want it to break way down here before doing that. But you know, that was a good solid momentum. And then it just reversed. So my original risk was 221 bucks. But then I added on. Nice. Kino from yesterday, guys. He took this trade. Nice trade. Nice trade. He took it from this area. Saw this bullish candle. Took it from here. Got a 1-to-1. Nice. Adding 5 contracts. If you find a trader who tell you that they don't ever lose, run in the opposite direction as fast as you can because they're lying to you. They're lying to you. 265 counts, 4 contracts. All right. Oh. So y'all see what I mean though by big levels like this? Even though we didn't take a buy, this was a big level price played from. And it's still rejecting this area. So, and that was 10 o'clock right there. Let's see what it do. Like price is just stopping right here, but it could go back up. For every down movement there is, there's always a pullback, an elevator shift back up. Because that's what market's supposed to do. It's supposed to rebalance itself. Whew. But yeah, chaos. Great dub though. You was probably risking a pretty penny on that one. I feel you. I really do. This could have been another trade, but again, I'm just chilling right now because I'm low-key done for the day. But, you know, it's another zone that created if it wants to fall. So, me personally, I don't want to risk no more today. I took my 2 L's. Y'all know I can make that back in a 1 or 2 real quick. So, my hands are tied. Now we get to this level though, and we break it. My hands may not be tied, but I'm chilling. Here goes my Kino. Hi, I'm still on the charts. I took 2 L's though, so I'm pretty much done, but we still on the chat. It's in the general. I'll send it to you. Okay. He's trying to get in the chat, y'all. Wow, look at that, guys. That's funny. Is join on your page? There you go. Boom. We in there. Y'all see that? Right play, right trade, wrong time. We could have had this original right here. Where was it? It was right here. Look at that, y'all. That's pretty wild. That's the only thing I don't like about moving my stop loss. But let's see it play out. It could very well just be faking it go up, but it didn't break structure here, so that's probably a solid trade. Do I want to risk more? I don't like risk. I don't really want to risk anymore, but this is a nice trade. But I don't really want to risk anymore. Let's see what happens. I might. But if I take this trade, bro, I gotta be done. I can't lose like $800 in a day, bro. That's not logical.
Order filled.
All right. Risk it for the biscuit, bro. Risking 84 bucks. I might add one more.
Order filled.
There we go. The goal right now is just to get back to break even. This is a 5-minute trade, so I'm going to take a 1 to 2. I don't need no more. This was our original trade idea, so let's see if it plays out. If I didn't move my stop loss, I'd have been cool. But I did move my stop loss, y'all. I moved it very bad. What the heck? Y'all seen that? It was gonna stop me out right there. That's a little insane. I wonder how that happened. The goal right now is just to get back to break even. I probably not in there, John. Let me send him the thing. Give me a thumbs up if you're in this trade. Give me a thumbs down if you just staying on the sidelines watching. What we got? Discord. 905. Yeah. Let's see. Whew, I'm breathing, bro. What time is it? 9:06. I got an hour to go to work. Cool. This is my last day of my job, y'all. I'm changing jobs. Gotta go out with a banger. Wonder if y'all can hear me. Y'all can hear me? Did y'all still say frozen? What the heck?
Order filled.
Let's see. I think I froze and they couldn't see me, bro. Just took out some liquidity. There we go. My bad, y'all. I don't know what happened. This is my third trade. I don't like that wick. It just went to liquidity. Let's see. That's crazy how that was working right then. I don't know what happened, Chaos. I think it did freeze. I had to open up a new page and like restart. So
Yeah, it froze, and Isaac was like, "Can y'all hear her? Cause I can't hear her. I can't see her." I was like, "No, I don't know what happened."
yeah, I think it just froze.
This the same trade or this a new trade?
It's a new trade, bro. I gotta be done after this, bro, because I feel like now I'm not thinking logically, but I mean it was our same setup, same things. I just if I never moved my stop loss, I would have been cool. I did add on to this position too. That could be another sign of greed, but I definitely have a strong feeling it's gonna drop.
Got you, got you. I understand. Here, I'll enter with you, so you're not
No, bro, you
alone.
already done. You already done. You good. Take your dub and
No,
run.
I could trade on my fundeds because I didn't trade on my fundeds today. I was focused on the eval.
Do you see why I got in this trade before you get in?
Let me see. Let me see. Let me go back to your screen. I mean, you have your zone, and then that last big black candle, it didn't break out of it,
It didn't.
but I don't know why you entered where you entered.
So I entered here, but I added on contract, so it moved it down here, if that makes sense.
Oh, okay. Okay. I mean, I guess the only reason is because it still held the zone.
Yep, pretty much. We broke structure here, created another zone here too, and it held. Like the 5 minute zone is basically all it is right here. So once we went
Gotcha.
into that zone and we broke the candle above that zone, that's when I entered.
Okay.
I don't recommend a big contract size. I did. I'm risking still the 260, but then I added on, so it was more. But I was only risking like 70, 80 bucks, so I added on more. I got to get better at how much I want to add on, because how much is going to make it. So I don't need a $700
Yeah,
node.
I only entered with one mini today.
Okay. But yeah, because Keno was trying to get in too, and I don't even like it wasn't working. I looked at the thing and it wasn't moving. And then you said, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah." And then yeah, I just reset. That's crazy. I'm really looking for just break even though my TP down there. I'm really looking for break even. My only issue is it created another zone. Like it broke through the level, but it created another zone. And that's literally where my stop is. So I don't like that. But I'd like to see it break these lows. We're on the 5 minutes, so we're only shooting for the 1 to 2. It's already 10:15, so like I don't want to do too much. It's still got bearish pressure. That's my issue. But I probably just shouldn't have over leveraged this. But I'm in it now, so I'm thugging. Let's see if it'll keep this momentum. I like this momentum. I needed to break that low right there. Let's see if it'll break the low. I like it. Nice.
My bad. Did I miss anything? I went to use the bathroom.
Nah, you good, gang. You good.
Okay. Okay.
I just wanted to break this low right here. It did,
Yeah.
but I wanted to break it strong, not weak. Still got a minute left in the candle. I like
All
it.
right. I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna watch the trade though, but my mama need me.
Cool. All right, gang. Take care.
All right.
All right, I'm going to see it through.
Order filled.